In this video, we'll show you how AskFred lets you search your knowledge to find answers across all your meetings and connected tools and turn insights into action. Start inside any meeting. Open a meeting from your Meetings tab, and on the right side of your Notepad, you'll see AskFred. From here, you can ask questions like, what were the key objections raised? Or what decisions were made? AskFred pulls answers directly from the transcript. But it doesn't stop at answering questions. You can also turn meetings into action by asking it to draft a follow-up email based on the conversation, or write a LinkedIn post summarizing key takeaways. Perfect when a meeting ends and you need to move straight into execution. But what if you need to find patterns or insights across dozens of conversations? From your dashboard, click Ask Anything from your meetings. This opens Global AskFred, your knowledge search across every conversation in your workspace. Here's where it gets really powerful. Ask questions like, what topics came up most in customer calls this month? Or, what objections are we hearing across sales calls? AskFred searches across all your meetings and surfaces the answers with references to specific conversations. You can also create content across meetings, generate a summary report for stakeholders based on last week's meetings, or build a FAQ document from all the sales demo meetings, draft a slide outline highlighting demo trends, or summarize feedback from onboarding calls. AskFred pulls insights from across all relevant conversations and creates ready-to-use content. Use filters to narrow your search by time range, specific meetings, or by host and participants. Instead of replaying hours of recordings, you get answers and ready-to-use content in seconds. AskFred's knowledge search extends beyond just meetings. You can connect other sources like web search, Gmail, and Slack. This turns AskFred into a unified knowledge search hub where you can ask questions that span meetings, emails, and team conversations, all in one place. That's AskFred, your AI-powered knowledge search for turning every conversation into insights and actions.